What's up, guys? Welcome to Jet Wash Outdoors again. But today we're going to be going indoors. And what do I mean by that, you ask? Well, supposedly in here is a Noah S1200. Full spectrum. So, we got it from Amazon. It's this year's 2020's double chipped model, sorry. So, we're going to do an unboxing here, make sure it's all good. Came all the way to Southern Ontario, Canada from California, I think. So, yeah, give me a minute here. We got Jimmy C and Friends playing in the live stream on the background. If you haven't checked him out before, go and check him out. Pretty cool dude. Great group of people. No. My dog Nala, 5 months old, almost 70 pounds. We got Uncle Buck today. Alright, we got your air packing. It's not marked which one it is. It's supposed to be the 1200. They don't have anything marked. Full spectrum double switch. Yep, it says right here 1200. Right on the barcode. It says 1200. So we'll get rid of this. Now I was running a 430 HPS, and it had separate ballast. It was one of those quick grow kits from back in the day with the big chrome shade and stuff like that. But I've already replaced a light in it once, and now the damn thing won't stay on again. So this time I'm thinking it's the ballast on that. So I don't want to go and buy a light and then it's the ballast and then I'm fucked again anyway. So I just decided to upgrade, and yeah. Comes with your instructions, your hanger hooks. More hanger hooks. This one's on like a cable winch. And you got your sunglasses, and then your power cord. So far so good. Let's try and get the unit out. I can't believe how tiny it is. Yeah, 1200 watt. And that's the LED panel. There's 100 chips in there. There's two switches here. One's for veg and one's for bloom, and then you can have them on both on for veg and bloom at the same time. Yeah, built-in fan. This isn't a daisy chain ballast setup. It's got a single ballast in there. It's like a 3-in-1 ballast or something like that. So LED 120 pieces, sorry, dual chips. Input voltage is only 85 to 265 volts. So yeah, made in China, but it says US on there, so I'm guessing they assembled this in like California or something. So yeah, right on, guys. Stay tuned for future updates on this, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Thanks for tuning in. And as you always know, one love and peace.